You won't believe that a place like this still exists in our world. Hidden deep within the vast Pacific Ocean lies an island so remote that reaching it feels like stepping back in time. A place where modern civilization barely exists, where the outside world feels like a distant memory. This is one of the most isolated human settlements on Earth. No airplanes can land here. No luxury cruise ships ever arrive. Even satellite maps struggle to clearly capture its reality. And yet, around 50 people still call this place home. This is Pitcairn Island, a rugged volcanic land rising from the endless blue ocean, untouched by time, wrapped in mystery. But how did this island come to exist? How do just 50 people survive here, so far from civilization? What does life look like here? What secrets does this forgotten island still hold? Today we step into that hidden world. The journey to Pitcairn Island is not simple. First, you must reach the nearest international gateway, like Tahiti or New Zealand. From there, the real challenge starts. You board a slow-moving supply ship that cuts through the Pacific for days, sometimes weeks. Endless water surrounds you, towering waves rise and fall. It feels as though you've left civilization far behind. And then, out of the emptiness of the ocean, a jagged green mountain emerges. Steep cliffs rise from the sea like natural walls. The water is so clear, you can see deep into the ocean below. Very few people ever make it here. There are no luxury resorts. In fact, there isn't even a proper harbor. To reach the island, locals must come out in small boats, navigating powerful waves just to bring visitors ashore. Pitcairn Island is home to only around 50 people, a population so small that everyone knows each other by name. There is no supermarket here, no hospital. Just a single school, a small church, and one tiny general store. The store only opens a couple of days a week. So how do these people survive? The answer is self-reliance. Almost every family grows their own food. The island's fertile soil supports crops like bananas, papayas, and breadfruit. Chickens roam freely across the island. As evening approaches, many residents head toward the rocky cliffs to cast fishing lines. Fish like tuna and wahoo form the backbone of their diet. But survival here is not easy. One of the biggest challenges is water. There are no rivers, no natural streams. Fresh water depends entirely on rainfall. Rainwater is carefully collected and stored in tanks, and every drop becomes valuable. During dry periods, even basic tasks like bathing become difficult. Water must be used with extreme caution. Electricity is also limited. The island relies on solar panels and small diesel generators. If something breaks, there is no outside help. No repair shops, no online deliveries. Everything must be fixed by the islanders themselves. Old tools are reused. Broken machines are rebuilt. Here, even a piece of scrap metal can become something essential. Nothing is wasted. Life on Pitcairn demands flexibility. Every person plays multiple roles. One day you're farming. The next you're repairing equipment. Sometimes you're cooking. Sometimes you're helping with medical needs. Survival here is not individual. It is collective. Everyone depends on everyone else. Communication with the outside world is another challenge. There is no mobile network, no fast internet, only a slow satellite connection, which often becomes unreliable during bad weather. Sending an email can take minutes. Video calls are almost impossible. Sometimes the internet disappears completely for days. So even today, the most reliable connection to the outside world comes through radio signals and the postal system. The small post office serves as the island's link to the world. Letters and packages arrive only every few months, carried by supply ships. Food, medicine, fuel, everything depends on these deliveries. If a ship is delayed due to storms or technical issues, life on the island slows down instantly. People wait, sometimes for weeks, because without that ship everything comes to a halt. And yet, despite all these hardships, the people of Pitcairn Island continue to live here. They are deeply connected to one another, creative, resourceful, resilient. In a world driven by technology and speed, they live differently, slower, simpler, but perhaps more connected in ways modern life has forgotten. Far away from cities, noise and chaos, this tiny island stands alone in the middle of the ocean, a place untouched by time, a place that continues to survive against all odds, and maybe a place that still holds stories the world has yet to discover.